There, CC here. Let's check out the new gacha. Little Bird Forest. It's quite cute. Oh, so we trade in 2 dresses for an aura. Oh, it was glitched before I started this video and it said 3 items for the aura. So I guess they switched it back to 2. Alright. Let's see what's in here. Very cute. I do like this one. It's nice. Then we got the wings. I like the glow around the feathers on them. And we got the eyes that are a little teal. Not so keen on the hat. Little feather effect. That's cute. The mouth is pretty good. Oops, I put a like on that. Well, I won't get that item, it seems. Then we got the top. That's the upgrade. Oh, it's another one of these. Hopefully I'll get it. These are nifty for changing out your outfit look. Though I kind of don't like where it's placed. I wish it was placed a little bit lower. The man. Oh, the man's hair is pretty cool actually. Yep, the birdcage hat is pretty awesome. Oh, the feather ears. Feather ears. Let's see what's for interior. Oh, that's so cute. Cute little birds. Cute little birds all over the place. Cute little birds that sit on that log. Cute little birds. And I want that rug. Aw, that's a cute little forest. Yeah, I want this rug. You can't tell me no. I want that rug. Let's see. Nice, I got the upside down cage for me. Alright. 110 spin, that's all I'm doing. Ah, nice, I got another one. I did not get the rug. I got the hair wings, and I got this, which I wish was lower. But, oh well. Oh, and I got the nice hair piece. Good. Okay.